Assalamu alaikum, 6th class. Today we are doing review exercise question number 9, 10. Students, the method of these two questions I have explained in previous section, in previous classes. The statement of the question is the ACF of two numbers is 295 and 256. These are number, first number, second number. The ACF is 24. Find their LCM. And the next one is the HCF and LCM of two numbers is 23 and 345. HCF 23, LCM 345. If one number is 115, find the other. For question number 9 and 10, we use the method, we use the formula. First number multiply second number is equal to HCF multiply LCM. In question number 9, you have to find LCM. By putting value, HCF will be divided in this side, and after simplification we can find the LCM. And for question number 10, we have to find the second number. By putting value, the first number will be divided on this side, and after simplification we can find the second number. Now we have to find the solution of objective exercise number 3. Question number 1 is short questions. First, students, what is meant by factors of a number? This definition I have explained in the first lecture. Define prime number. This definition you have already read. Which number has only one factor? Number 1 has only one factor. How do we indicate the number is divisible by 3? So the rule of divisibility by 3 was explained in previous class. What is meant by prime factorization? Definition of prime factorization also explained in previous class. Show the relation between HCF and LCM of two numbers by formula. This is the relation between HCF and LCM of two numbers. The question number 1 is done. And question number 2 is filling the blanks. So the number having no common factor rather than 1 are called co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers, a number having factor rather than 1 in itself is called composite number. Dash is the only even prime number. Number 2 is even number and also prime number. A number divisible by dash if the digit at unit place is 0 or even number. A number, this is rule for divisibility by 2. So a number is divisible by 2 if the digit at unit place is 0 or even number. The process of writing the number into factors is called factorization. Factorization. Next, the factor of every number is 1. Every number greater than 1 has at least 2 factors. A number divisible by 6 if it has even number at unit place and the sum of digits is divisible by 3. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. The LCM of two numbers is 4 and 9. Then its HCF will be, the product of two numbers is equal to HCF multiply LCM multiply HCF. We have to find HCF. 4 multiply 9 divided by 36 will be divided on other side. 4 9s are 36. 36 divided by 36 will be equal to 1. So this is our answer. Our HCF will be 1. So your diary of the day is review exercise number 3, question number 9, 10 plus objective exercise number 3. practice plus learn. Thank you.